Now to the fight against the coronavirus pandemic in Colorado. It's been about 2 weeks now since the state started easing the COVID restrictions, and the health department says we can expect to see some numbers go up. Here's one stat we'll certainly be keeping track of. Until now, the number of cases and hospitalizations had been trending downward. You can see that in this chart. Well, now the number of people hospitalized has gone up, 25 more than yesterday, up to 229 total patients. The biggest increase in hospitalizations since the peak on April 19th. We're clearly not out of the woods yet. State lawmakers are trying to provide some relief in this pandemic. Political specialist Sean Boyd on the State House beat today, where lawmakers did give initial approval to a package of bills. And Sean, many of them are aimed at helping people who are still out of work.
Jim, help with rent, food, utilities. House and Senate Democrats introduced at least 16 COVID relief bills. 6 of them received initial approval on the House floor today, including a bill that makes price gouging illegal. Colorado, one of the few states without such a law, and a bill to protect whistleblowers who feel their employer isn't doing enough to prevent the spread of COVID. There are also bills requiring paid sick leave for all employees, allowing those who quit their jobs because of a lack of child care or health concerns to collect unemployment, and making it easier for employees who contract COVID to use workers' compensation. The Colorado Chamber of Commerce says the bills will add hundreds of millions of dollars in added cost to businesses already hurting. Democrats counter, they also have bills to provide loans and grants to small businesses.
So we're really trying to strike a balance between supporting small business, getting them back on their feet and helping with loans, but also making workplaces safe and helping individuals.
We didn't do anything to actually encourage things like backfilling the unemployment insurance fund so that it doesn't go insolvent, to things that would actually encourage people to hire their employees back and actually get the economy back on track. Because if we do that, then we won't be in a budget hole next year, but it seems like we're doing the opposite approach.
The legislature has $70 million in federal COVID relief dollars to allocate. The House gave initial approval today to bills that provide $15 million for mental health and substance abuse treatment, $20 million in rent and mortgage assistance, as well as money to help people evicted with legal defense costs, and $10 million to help with utility bills. Democrats also have bills to provide additional funding to domestic violence programs and food pantries. Both chambers have now passed a budget and are in the process of reconciling the differences. Lawmakers expect to adjourn the session on Friday. Live at the Capitol, Sean Boyd covering Colorado First.